Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we have a 2011 Cadillac STS, and we're going to go over how you would replace this your reverse light assembly. And so to start with, you're going to need to pop the trunk. Once you got the trunk popped, there is a piece of this carpet protector that sits here, and you're going to remove this. And this is just a bunch of push pins all the way around, and this handle that we pop out. So then you'll remove that. And that way you gain access to the two bolts to hold that housing on. And so if we're just taking the housing out because we need to replace it because it got broken for whatever reason, we'll just remove and drop the light bulb down. And then we have two number 10 nuts that we need to loosen. And with those loosened, we're going to, there is a little, it's like a push washer up here. It's holding it on. All right, there was a little push washer that was holding it on, so we took that off. And now you'll be able to remove your whole reverse light assembly and be able to get a new one to replace if you need to replace. And then just reinsert, and now put the nuts back on and tighten it up. And then we'll reinstall the light bulb and reinstall the piece of carpet cover when you're ready to put it all back together. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.